Welcome to another video by WA Courses. In this tutorial, we'll be learning how to create a calendar using Microsoft Word. Now, who doesn't use a calendar? From business people to students to working mums trying to organize their children's schedules. So let's start by launching Microsoft Word. Let's click on the icon down here of Microsoft Word. Now we will be working with a template to create a calendar. So let's click on more templates. Scroll down and go through the calendars. Check which one do you like the best. If you're not pleased with any of the options that appear here, you could also search for more templates online. So you can write calendar right here in the box, and Word will give you a bunch of options. So let's go back for now and choose one that we already have installed. So let's choose this one and create. And here's my calendar. Now Word asked me to select the month and year. So it is April 2020. Okay. Now, a tip is if I do want to change the month or year, I could go to the calendar tab and select a new date. So a calendar tab has appeared here. I would go to select the new date and fill in the date and year that I want. Now, the calendar tab popped up because I am working on a calendar, and it gives me more options to be able to format my calendar. So we have themes here that we can choose from. Go through the themes and choose a style that best serves your purpose. You can change the color scheme from colors. So go through them and choose one that you like. And we can also change the font settings. So choose a font that you like for your calendar. Now our calendar is basically comprised of two tables. So that's why the Table Design tab has popped up here, which enables us to make changes to the tables. So let's click on that, Table Design. So our first table is the one up here. Let's select it. And we can choose from a table design to change the design of the table from here. By clicking on the arrow, we get more choices. Choose the one that you're comfortable with. And by clicking on the second table, we can also make changes to that table. So we could basically change the borders from here. We could have no borders, all borders, just the inside borders. And we could also change the design of this table from the Table Design group. I'm happy with the design of my calendar now, but before I start filling in information, I'd like to save it as a template because I plan on using it every month. I can go to the File tab, and from there I can press Save As. I would like to call it Calendar. And from the list here, I will choose Word Template and save. Now, let's go and see what happened. I open up Word and I go to More Templates. In the Personal tab, I can find My Calendar, My Personal Template. So click on that And there's my template. Now I can start filling in information that I want and then saving it as a different name. So let's type in, yes, for Wednesday, and for Thursday I have a doctor's appointment, for example. Okay, my calendar is ready for printing or saving. I can save it save it where I like, give it a name. Okay, so on my desktop and save, it's called April, or I can print it out. Click on print from the file tab, my settings, my print settings, and click print. That was the end of the tutorial on how to create a calendar in Microsoft Word and save it as a template. Thank you for watching.